Welcome to Embassy. Hi friend, today I'm sharing how to embroider ring lazy daisy stitch. Start by bring the needle up, poke the needle at the same hole, and keep the needle like this. Then bring the thread over the tip of the needle. Wrap the thread similar to the rosette stitch 3 or 4, 5 times. Depend on your creativity. Keep the loops and pull the needle. The rosette stitch, you will make a little stitch here to secure. But the ring lazy daisy stitch type 1 only makes one stitch at here. And type 2, you only make one small stitch at the opposite point too. The ring lazy daisy stitch type 2 makes similar as the type 1. Please subscribe to Embassy channel to watch more tutorial videos. And don't forget to give this video a like to get more views. Thank you very much. And type 2, you only make one small stitch at here. If you make one more stitch here, it will create a rosette stitch. Here is rosette stitch. And this is the 3D stitch. You can flip it up like this. This stitch will be applied to embroider 3D flowers in my new project. Please don't forget to watch my new video next week. See you again.